banana doesn't taste good.
April, what's wrong?
This banana isn't appealing.
Oh, maybe you just chose from the wrong bunch. Here, try this.
Okay. So good, it's so amazing.
Okay, let's go. I have to show you something.
But my banana!